Alright, it's been a while since I've done a video, but I don't have a lot to do today, so we'll get at least a couple done today. This is an '07 Porsche Carrera. You got this one with curb damage here and here. I'm going to sand it out and repaint it. I'm going to do this. It's not very deep, so I'm just going to do this with 320 grit. Alright, the damage is sanded out. Now I'm going to scuff it and get ready for paint. Blow the dust off. Wipe it down real quick. We'll cover this with clear coat.